Greetings, dear friends. Happy Monday. Hope you had a lovely weekend. I hope you got to enjoy some of that glorious weather that we had over the weekend. It was really lovely to be outside, although I've got quite a few bites now too. But and then today is a wee bit rainy, but all is well. We are slowly stepping into summer, so I hope that is going really good for you. Here we are checking in with our usual Monday focus. What can we focus on letting go of in order to shine our light, to really line up with our purpose, with our what brings us meaning, but also to share the unique gift, the unique part of this grand game we play called life. So if you've been watching these before, what I invite you to do is to just, and whether if you're here on live, say hi, or if you're just watching the replay, we can, the energy of this that we create here together is still going to be there for you to tap into whenever it is right for you. So what I like us to do is to take a nice few nice deep breaths to just land into this moment. So breathing in through your nose and then out through your mouth, breathing and just landing into this moment. And as we do this, this is a really auspicious time to be doing this because there's a number of shifts happening planetary wise, which are actually really supporting us stepping up into more of what we truly are at heart level, at soul level, and really falling into that, into the support, the nurturing, the healing of that. And so, in order to more fully, hey Sonia, nice to see you here. Hope you had a lovely weekend. So, just focusing on what can we let go of in order to perhaps get more of a felt sense of this cosmic, nurturing, loving, elevated feeling that's around us at the moment. Hope that makes sense. So, we're just taking these nice deep breaths, landing into this moment. And as we're doing that, I'm shuffling the letting go cards, and we're just together, we're asking what's the best thing this week to focus on letting go of. And then let's see what comes up for us this week. And it's the past. So this, like I said, so this is really actually quite exciting, is that if we are stepping into, and like I said, as of today, yesterday and today, there's this sort of planetary shift that is allowing us to really zero in on what is your heart calling. What is that unique gift? You hear me talk about this before. What is the piece that only you have that needs to be brought into this experience that we are all having? It's like when we find our unique voice, our capacity to change or to heal, that's when we impact everyone. So it's like by doing our work, that's how we be the change, that's how we affect the loving guidance support. So by letting go of the past, we can honor what wisdom have you accrued, what kind of experiences do you have, how do you feel about yourself when you're in different types of settings and different types of experiences, and then distill out that as a guidance system, and stop getting caught up by the stories of the past. I like to sometimes say, I'm just looking it up in this book because I want to, this is how it's landing for me, is to honor the past experience and pull out the significant pieces, the pieces of learning, the pieces of guidance, and then move forward with the gifts. But I'm going to read this out and see if this helps you sort of dig deeper into what it might mean for you. So stop living in the past. There is absolutely nothing to gain if you wallow in past mistakes that you've made. We've all experienced hurt. You can't be an adult alive today who hasn't experienced some emotional pain of one kind or another. It's important what you do with that hurt. It's what you do with that hurt that's more important than the hurt itself. Would you prefer to get back into being an active participant of your life? Or do you prefer to ruminate endlessly about the past and something that cannot be changed? Take past mistakes or challenges as lessons learned and move forward. You cannot wholeheartedly move to a better future if you're constantly looking behind you. And so if that is a propensity of yours, is to ruminate or to say, gosh, I wish I'd done something different or better, or I wish that person had said or did something differently. If you're doing that, it's okay, but just accept that's what you've been doing. And you can say, up until this point, this is how I've been doing it. And now I'm going to move forward and not do that anymore. It's like, what can I do? Because there is nothing you can do. If you did do a mistake and you're feeling guilty about it, you can. There's two things. This is a part of the letting go that I help people do. There's two things you can do. You can either just forgive yourself. I did the best I could back then with what I knew. Or you could also, if it's something that does still keep coming back and you're saying, oh, yes, but, the yeah buts that can kind of come up when we're trying to work on just flowing with letting something go like that. What you could do is you could actually script out what you would have done. How would you have done that? And you could write it out or just visualize it. I call this a do-over. So you could actually allow your own inner self to feel into what it would it have been if you did it differently, and then let it go. Then just say, okay, that's how it would have gone. Now I can move into the next best way of doing things. And if you have, actually in the comment section below, after I'm finished this, I'm going to put a link because I've actually opened up 5 slots in my calendar on Friday. So if you'd like to have a 30-minute session with me to go deeper into how can you let go of your past, look at what the cards, the tarot cards have to help you let go in your best way so that you can find your voice. Check out the link. Like I said, I'll put it in the comments underneath this video. And I'd love to help you go deeper. So like I said, just wanted to mention that because this is a big one. This is like really accepting that where I've been is the product of how I'm here, and then not look backwards, because it's actually a dilution of your energy when we do things like that. So we want to focus on the gifts, the excitement, the blessings to move forward and share your unique voice. Hope that makes sense. I'm doing right now is I'm shuffling Doreen Virtue's angel cards here because I like to draw 3 of these, and we're just kind of looking at what kind of insights or tools or messages of guidance is there here for us to help and support with this idea of letting go of the past. Letting go of the past, the pieces that no longer serve us, that we can do that with gratitude and honor. Oh, this is great. We've got some wonderful, wonderful cards. So the first card that comes up is study. So you know how I said that in letting go of the past, it's nice to sit and just look at, what did you learn? What do you want more of? What do you want to create? What kind of wisdom has come through the different experiences that you've had? So this is like making you the study of your own moving forward and being the best version of you. And that, by doing that, you are a powerful manifesting machine, if you like. And so that's really important. As we step into these new energies with this new planetary shift, you have to understand how powerful you are. And so if you are continually ruminating about something that happened in the past, like, oh my gosh, I should have done something bigger or better or different, or what will people say or do, then you're actually creating more of that. So if there's things going in a way where it's causing more strife, more stress for you, then it's time to look at letting go of those stories. And this final one is very, very important, is forgiveness. So that's a really big piece about is there stories that you're telling that woulda, shoulda, coulda, and it's kind of like, okay, where's the blessing? Where's the learning? And now I'm not going to tell the story anymore. So I really look forward to hearing and seeing how this evolves for you during this week. Like I say, very auspicious time to be really getting serious, rolling up your sleeves, saying, I am the creator. Remember, you are a very powerful manifester. And so I think also as we move forward throughout June and July, we're actually going to start seeing more and more that our thoughts, the things that we ask for, are going to show up way faster too. So this is things are happening more and more quickly, that you have a thought and it'll show up. So be careful what you think, right? You want to be intentional with moving forward. I hope that serves you, and I wish you a wonderful week. And any comments or questions, put them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you do whatever you need to do to let go of the past with grace and ease. And I will put that link there for you too. Much love. Thanks for watching.